Alright, I think I'm gonna start with this. So, let's relax, shall we? And like I said, it is therapeutic. Now, I've never had this before. It's some kind of sand, kinetic sand thing. So let's see. Oh, that's cute. It comes with a little cute little, I don't know what the hell these are. These are like some kind of cute little shapey things. So that's pretty cool. And here it is. Now it's supposed to be stretchy. It don't look like it's stretchy, but let's see. Oh, look at that. That's interesting. I tried to smell it. It smells, yeah, it smells like purple. If purple had a smell, this would be what it smelled like. It does. It smells like purple. It doesn't smell like any kind of fruit or anything. It does have a little bit of a sweet smell to it, but yeah, it smells like purple. It does seem like it's stretchy. Now, how the hell is this supposed to work? What the fuck? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Alright, okay. Okay, so you get you some of this. You do this. You take these, you mash it in there. Kind of like you're making, I don't know, cookies or some shit. I don't know. There you go. There, you smash it in there. Well, how cute is that? Look at that. That's cute. And then I destroy it. It's cute, and then I destroy it. Man, I needed this stuff when I was a kid. I didn't have this kind of stuff when I was a kid growing up. And it is relaxing. Like, it is therapeutic. It is very therapeutic. It is very relaxing. I could have used this growing up. And like I use it now as an adult, and because it is relaxing. Doing stuff with your hands, I don't know. It's relaxing. take your mind off of things. Just sit down, get you some of this. Play with it for a while. These I would get bored with though, so I'm just going to put that over to the side. Might do something with that later, I don't know. I kind of just want to watch it like fall, like watch it crumble. Look at that. It does like a cool little something when it's just falling apart ever so peacefully. I like this. How can it be sand and yet stretchy? And crumbly, like it's very crumbly. It's doughy, which, God, I could watch videos on dough being made all day long. It's so relaxing. It is stretchy, and it is crumbly. Oh, look at that. That's cool. It's like it's like I'll try not to do too many sound effects because that can get annoying. But look at it. Look at that. That is some neat shit. That is some neat shit. Look at it, it's crumbly. I like this. This is starting to be one of my favorite things. That's one of the best parts. Just let it crumble. Oh. Just let it crumble and fall apart like my life right now. Just joking. Or am I? I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, I like this. I recommend this kinetic sand stuff, whatever they call it. It's pretty cool. It kind of gives you everything you need to chill out and relax. It gives you the stretch. It gives you the shaping and the molding. And it gives you crumble, which is really neat. It gives you crumbleness. That is pretty freaking cool. This might be a long ass video because I can play with this all day. My God, I can just sit and watch it crumble. Like even the crumbling of it is relaxing. Damn, I should have got this in every color. I should have got this shit in every fucking color. I would have loved to mix this all up. Mix different colors. Shit, yeah. But I'm just starting my channel out. One thing at a time. Have to go slow with this. So hopefully, in the future, I can get a whole bunch of this in different colors and just mix it and go to town. Well, and to my subscribers, thank y'all so much for subscribing to me. It's pretty cool. It's nice to have people be interested in what you're doing, even if what you're doing is kind of weird. So, to some weird, to others not. Like, to some weird, to others relaxing and therapeutic. So, thank y'all so much for subscribing to me. I really do appreciate it. And I hope that this helps y'all relax like it helps me relax. And I hope that this is very therapeutic to y'all as well, because it damn sure is therapeutic to me. So I hope it is therapeutic to y'all as well. And I haven't even started with the slime and putty. Like, I'm for real into this kinetic sand thingy. This is the coolest shit. I think I'm going to take a little break. Not that I need one. But I don't want the video to be too long. I don't want this to be an hour video or nothing like that. Let's take a little break. Part 2 is definitely going to be coming up soon, because I'm definitely going to get into that slime and putty. But this kinetic sand, holy shit, very relaxing, very therapeutic. I highly recommend getting you some of this and just sitting down, relaxing, letting out some aggression, letting out some stress, and just play for a while. It'll do you good. Okay, part 2 coming up.